Hello guys, has the crypto market bottomed already or we're still expecting a crash or should we brace ourselves for more bottoms? Well, you're welcome to CoinSpace and I am Austin. Today we're going to be looking at how much the FTX has impacted the market, or rather we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin chart, and see what has happened so far. But before that, let's look at the fear and greed index and see what has become of the confidence of investors. Now you can see that it is on 21 today, and yesterday it was at 24, last week 24, and last month 20. If you recall, in my previous video, in a couple of last 3 months ago, it was around 30 something, almost getting to 40, 50, but now it has crashed drastically because of the FTS effect. And today on the crypto bubbles, you can see that the cryptos are not doing so amazing, except for a few coins who are showing green, which is not very much significant in the overall market. But if you're trading them, you can actually make profits yourself. But in the overall, the market is not so amazing. You can see the chart for yourself. Well, let's go right onto the Bitcoin chart and see what is actually happening. So on this particular candlestick here, follow my mouse pointer, Bitcoin actually bottomed on this $15,588 point here, right on this point here. Bitcoin bottomed here, and a lot of analysts, a lot of investors actually thinking that Bitcoin has bottomed, while some are actually feeling that Bitcoin hasn't bottomed, that we're going to be expecting much more crash because the impact of the FTS is not yet done, that we'll still have more to come. But I think the impact has undone us, and we have hit the bottom, and we're not hitting much more bottom than we already have. Yes, that's basically what I think, because if you check how the market is going right now, the market is trying to recover. In the past 5 days, we've had two major sales, like three major sales for consecutive 3 days. 1, 2, 3 here. The market pushed up. Yes, although we had a drop here. Sorry, I meant buys here. That's what I meant to say. But I had three buys here consecutively for 3 days. Although the market pushed down again, which is it sold out the next day and a day after, which is today. But we're still very optimistic that the market is going to come up. But it's definitely, it might hit this bottom again, but it's not going to get past it. It's not going to get past it. If you check our analysis here, it's stated that the market is going to crash right from this Fibonacci trace here. The market is going to crash more, which has crashed. Definitely it has crashed, and it's still going to come up. It's still going to come up. So if you're trading now, this is the best time to dollar cost average. Like I always say, if the market crashes down, it's actually a good time for you to buy. That is the reason why you don't have to go in with all your money if you're trading crypto or you're investing in any asset whatsoever. Always leave a spare money so you can actually leverage your loss or go into the market when you're losing so much, so as to recover quickly your assets back and your money as well. So if you're trading, always dollar cost average. It is very important. So Bitcoin opens today at a position of 16,279, and its high today is 16,319. Now its low and where it closes is still not determined yet because the market is still trading. The market hasn't closed yet, but it's worthy of note that it has an amplitude today of 2.59%, which is pretty much pretty much not so bad. It's just fair, yeah. We can say it's fair, but the market is still going great, and we expect the market to do much more than it's doing right now. Like if you check where it's bottomed, you can see that it's bottomed here. This bottom is like much more than 3 months bottom. Yeah, you can see it's bottomed for like 3 months, so it's definitely not going down again. It's not going down again. Even if it's coming down, it's gonna hit the same bottom or close to the same bottom and then push back again. You can see that the market has actually hit its bottom. For those analysts thinking that the market is going to crash, I strongly disagree, and I know and I feel that the market is going to push up based on indicator and analysis. So far the market is going to come up. So if you like this content and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a whole lot. And do leave a comment in the comment section if you have a comment about this video, or if you have a diverse opinion. I would like to hear them. Thank you for sticking around. I am Austin and this is CoinSpace.